So right now we're having our
Hello everyone.
breakfast.
This is Mantap and Sagano number 3.
Breakfast from this one is Shibel's breakfast, and my breakfast is this one, and this will be mine. Yo, panay guna chopstick ko dia. Right now, Shibel's leading the way to the bamboo forest. You can rent some kimono here. Look at how they pop. Right now, we are at this bamboo forest. So we got ourselves an ice cream. Each, that's green tea, this is milk, and each it costs us 250 yen. I just realized that the ice cream cone is so convenient. Look at, like, it won't drip because ada longkang gitu. See? You need to prepare this amount of money. The fee for each way is 210 for each person, no matter where you stay. That's the price. Okay, so now we are shopping for some food. Ayam lah, sama makan ayam. Wah. Okay, so we are done with shopping. It's cheaper than 7E and Family Mart, and we've been spending our money in Family and 7E for the past few days. We've rested lots. Okay, so now we will be heading to this bus stop. Itu kan nih, atau sebelah sana? So 200. We are now at the rooftop, and the view is just the building, but it's alright. are going to the 16th floor for the free city viewing because we like free things. It's closed. It's until 7 only. Oh, too bad. I don't know what's that, but it looks interesting. I thought they're gonna start rapping, but they were just ito paka. I don't understand. So this is our takoyaki. Yum. Ooh. Right now we're gonna try this pocky. Inside I have 2, and because I'm nice, I'll give you 1.
2 please.
That's where we're staying. Bonfire Hostel. And there's a cafe here if you want to eat something. So now we are on our way to the bullet train, which I will show you later. Okay, so we got our ticket to Tokyo. Apa? Kenapa? Mau minyak. Oke, jap, udah fokus dulu.
takoyaki가. 失礼します。失礼します。So you're getting number 1 and number 2.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
As you can see here, this is my room for the night. the rooftop. And here we have the laundry. Ada. Tapi dia ada pigeon. Ada orang dia betul. Dia tak tahu kalau dia nak. Stella Maris punya tangga. 5 lah. Yes. Go down. Open sesame. Yay! This is in Tokyo, but then it's not the central of Tokyo. So it's like kampung punya Tokyo lah, and I think it's better because there's lesser people. So this is a good place for me to, at night to get away from people, and then in the morning I have to go to the center of the Tokyo and sempit like that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, man? Whatever, man. I don't know what I'm talking about, man. Please don't pause this, Michelle. Okay, bye. I eat this to be cool, like this.